In today's video, I'll teach you how to earn $10 per minute by watching videos, which is one of the most relatively simple methods to make money on the internet. The first step is to watch the video. The second step is to give it at least 60 seconds of your attention. And the third step is to cash out your profits. I'm going to show you the single most successful website for generating money online just by viewing videos today. This website is accessible from any location on the planet and is completely free to use. Just follow along with me since I will tell you how to do this in a minute. I'll share with you how to sign up and activate your account, and I'll walk you through some kind of actual situations so you know how to do it appropriately. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. In 2022, this will be an easy method to generate money online. I'll teach you how to make money quickly by utilizing the best and most efficient platforms. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. So without further ado, let's get this tutorial rolling. Now first, I'd like you to go to this website. Don't worry, I'll give you the secret website address in a bit, so stay tuned. This website is entirely free, safe, and legal. As you can see, answering surveys, watching videos and television shows, and participating in offers are all ways to make money. However, for the sake of this video, we'll only focus on viewing videos because it's something you probably already do every day and it racks up the most money for the least amount of work. So go ahead and select watching TV and then allow me to explain how this website works. Step 1. Sign up for a free account on this website. Step 2. Pick a channel that you're willing to engage in and start viewing TV programs and videos after that. Points will be added to your account when you watch those videos. You should also keep an eye out for other opportunities to generate money. Switching between multiple channels is one way to do this. Finally, you may swap your points for cash or gift cards. It's that simple. So to fully comprehend how this website works, make sure you watch the video all the way through. The first step, as previously said, is to register a free account on this website. To sign up, go to the homepage, input your email address, create a password, and then click Sign Up Now. You can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account for a more convenient experience. You may now check how much money you can make on our website after you log into your account. You can see that others have made anywhere from $200 to $500. And you may be the next. These people are all making money on this website by watching videos, taking surveys, or engaging in deals. The best part is that there are a boatload of videos to choose from, and all of them are refreshed every day. That is to say, there is a limitless amount of money to be made simply by viewing videos. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. So to get started, click watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you hover your cursor over there, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking the Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos, and on the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click sign up. After creating a Lutably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click on this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Another extra trick I have is to use the video options to reduce the video quality. If you want to save data, you may lower the video quality to the lowest possible, which will allow you to view as many 60-second videos as possible, while earning as much money as possible. These additional techniques are quite effective, and you can start using them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings on this website in a single day. Now that you understand how you can earn a lot of money on Zoombox.com by just viewing videos, it's time to start working. Zoombox.com, by the way, is the website for our special gadget tool of the day. I'd like to offer you another option to earn money on our site, which is through completing surveys. You should see surveys on the left-hand side of your Zoombox dashboard, which you may click. You will be given a list of companies who offer you short surveys to complete. As a result of doing so, each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5, or much more as stated above. Simply choose the company that gives you the most money and click on it. After that, repeat the procedure as previously. Simply sign up for a free account with a company of your choice and start doing as many surveys as you like. Okay, that concludes today's lecture. If you made it this far, know that if you decide to take the next step, you'll start generating money. Don't allow your emotions get the best of you. Stand up and perform what I showed you in this video. This marks the ending of the video. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!